Like most woodworkers, I do a lot of freehand routing at the router table. And you know what that involves. You put in the router pin on the router plate, and you bring your workpiece up to the pin and work it up to the bit. Bit has a bearing on it, and you slide it over the bit and get your job done. Dust collection, not so much. The only place the dust can go is around the bit, down into the router box, and then out to the dust collection. Well, there's not a whole lot of space here, and any bit's going to throw stuff everywhere. Hello. So what I did was I bought a dust collector slash finger guard or hand guard from Woodpeckers. Now this is designed to go on their router plate, but it also has instructions to adapt it to any router plate. Well, I have a Jessam, and basically all I had to do was tap and drill 2 1/4-20 holes into the router plate, which is aluminum, so I could screw down the 1/4-20 screws that hold it in place. So you take the jig or the dust collector, and there's the 1/4-20 holes that I drilled and tapped into the router tabletop, into the plate. Get it on the hole, line it up, and screw it down. And that's it. Now you have a nice dust collecting port and a guard to kind of keep your fingers away from the bit, and you can also still put routing pins in there if you need to. Now I also bought one of these elbows, which is the elbow that comes with the Home Depot dust stopper. You can't buy these from Home Depot. Oneida makes these, and it fits perfectly in that fitting right there on the top of the dust collector. Now, the portable dust collector I made for sanding that we use all over the shop, it fits. I have a fitting that goes right in here, and I just set it off to the side of the router table, and it pulls just about everything away. So it works really, really well. So now I keep my fingers at the end of my hand where they belong, and I can still do some freehand routing.